Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video, and in today's video we have the Air Jordan 1 Off-White. Alright, so this sneaker was exclusive to Sneakers, the Nike app, on May 23rd, 2018 for a price tag of 190 bucks. So the release happened around 10:40, I want to say, in the morning Pacific Standard Time. And I got the notification off J23 app. So right when the notification hit, I was able to just jump in and check out. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to upgrade my shipping. I even called Nike, less than an hour later to see if I could do it, and I was unable to. So today is a Tuesday, May 29. I ordered the shoes on May 23. So it basically took a week to get here. But it was Memorial Day weekend, so that's why it was a little bit extended. Alright, and here is the box, as you guys know, with the top lid. I don't want to open that up yet. Let me go ahead and show you guys the box label here. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Off-White NRG in white, dark powder blue, and cone. Style number is AQ0818 and color code is 148. I got a men's size 10, suggested retail price of 190 bucks. Also, if you guys haven't done so already, I did review the Off-White Air Jordan 1 in the Chicago colorway. So go ahead and click the link up above or down below in the description so you guys can go check that out. But with that release, this release was slightly different. Well, the look of it looks a little bit different. There's a cutout on the lid part of the Air Jordan 1. So I'm going to go ahead and flip that up. We're going to go ahead and see a preview of what the sneaker looks like up here. So you kind of like bend that back and you can see, woo! Alright, so there's the underside of the lid. You can see it's like a plastic piece. You can see right through it. So this looks really special. Like you can see, like, in place of the plastic or the paper, they used plastic. So it's just got some branding here. You can see the branding there. It says Off-White right there on the plastic. It's pretty cool. Go ahead and open that up and you get the shoes. It's in here divided by this paper, which seems a little bit weird, but we're here for the shoes, right? So wow, this looks real exclusive, like real exclusive. Let me go ahead and just give you a look all the way around of the shoe. You got the exposed parts. Again, Virgil Abloh is the designer of the Off-White series Air Jordan 1, also with other models in the Nike line. So his goal here was pretty much to explicitly write down pieces and deconstruct the shoe overall in showing you what the design process is all about. Go ahead and pull out this other shoe so you guys can take a look here. Man, these shoes they're a bit warm because I was waiting for UPS for a while. They were actually supposed to be delivered on Wednesday, so I was actually supposed to get them like a full week in delivery, but like they've been sitting in the car or the truck ever since like 8:30 in the morning. It's like 6 p.m. right now, so just, you can imagine like my anticipation for the shoe, just waiting and waiting and waiting. I did see that the prices on StockX were dipping. When they were previously on StockX, they were going for about $1,500, I want to say, and they dipped down to currently about $900 for this size, which is a size 10. So if you guys are interested to monitor that, or if you guys want a pair of your own, hit the link down below in the description. It'll direct link you right to the shoe, and if you guys decide to cop it, I get a small portion of whatever sale that's made up there, with no expense to you, of course, and you and I will be able to benefit from the sale. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like more close-up details. I know I've also reviewed the Chicago series, so let me just say it does come with the extra laces. Here are the orange. I did see like people bundle them up, or they were bundled up in the package, so these were kind of just like left out here like that. So it does explicitly say shoelaces at the end on both sides. So we get white, blue, and orange. Then on the shoe you got the traditional zip tie, so you can move it. So if you guys are gonna like zip it up, it's actually gonna zip up, so just be careful with that. I think there's a stoppage zone like right here at the end, so you can see if you zip it up all the way, that's where it's gonna stop. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. I don't want to touch it. That's just how it's gonna be. Another tag on there is the Made in China tag with the different languages up there, so it's on both shoes. It's at the top hole of the shoe. You also get the 85. One other thing to look for whenever you're looking for a legit check on shoes is this indentation right here. It's got like this like the bit of the wing that you see right here. See the imprint of the Air Jordan? It's gonna show on the underside in a dark imprint, so you'll see that. So whenever you guys are trying to determine like fake shoes or legit shoes or whatever, just look for that piece right there, right next to the 8 and the quotation. And then again, you have your label on the other side, the Made in China. And then on the medial side of the shoe, you have the Off-White branding. Now, I did get a question about the stencil here. It's not going to be super straight. It's gonna have like jagged lines and everything like that. So I'm pretty sure that was done on purpose. So you can see how that looks on the medial side of the shoe. No swoosh on there. There is a swoosh on the lateral side of the shoe with its orange traditional tag with the threading of the orange there as well. Your Nike Air tag is on the side of the shoe. On the right shoe, it's on the right side. On the left shoe, it's on the left side. So what would traditionally be right up here in the middle, they moved it all over to the side, and that was Virgil's design cue with the Air Jordan 1. On the inside here, you have a cardboard shoe tree. This one specifically says 10, 10 and a half right there up at the toe. And then on the inside, you have a white insole with black Nike Air branding and your sticker right below. And you do have the triangles that are just at the midfoot, up going up towards the toe. You have the blue foam showing through on the tongue, just to give it that nice pop of color. Usually it's like that that yellowish one, but the blue tinted looks really clean, so I appreciate that. And then all the other exposed like unstitched work here at the vamp of the shoe, at the lower eyelets, and then at the top with the wings. So just a different course of materials here. You'll see how the toe looks like right here. It's got like a mesh paneling. I feel like that paneling right there is different from what I reviewed on the Chicago, so those are different. I'm not sure what the white pair looks like. And then the collars here at the top, you can see all the exposure with the foam just peeking out. Looks great. I love this series. I love the Off-White series. I think Virgil and Nike, their collaboration overall, they did a great job. So pat on the back for those guys. I know this sneaker was like super hyped. The whole Off-White series was super hyped, but I don't call myself like a purist in Air Jordan collecting, although I do like new iterations of these types of materials, so this is great. Last thing I want to point out too is that you can see all the leather is all the smooth leather all around the shoe, but then when you get to this back portion here, you can see like it's like a plaster section. It's like really rough, so you can see like it's on the it's a little hard, little rough, so you can see like what that looks like back there. The midsole does have like that off-white creamish looking color, so it's not pure white. And then on these panels right here, you have suede just on the lateral side. On the medial side, you have the white leather. Last thing also to note, I guess on the box, you have that YCM sticker. So you'll see that towards the, I guess this is the front, towards the back. I'm not sure if it's going to be different all throughout the boxes, but that's just something that I noticed there with the box. Alright guys, so that's about it. Don't ask if they're for sale. They're not for sale. I'm going to be keeping them. It's so crazy how the Chicago colorway went up from like $1,000 to sometime last year to like over $2,000. It's just so crazy how sneakers like this, hype like this, just generates a buzz and resale just goes crazy. Anyways, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. What do you think about the Air Jordan 1 Off-White? Did you have a chance at the pair? I know a few of you guys also unfortunately got hit with canceled orders. I really am super upset for you guys as well. I would hate for, you know, myself or anybody to go through that situation. But luckily I was able to get through so I can do a review for you guys here on YouTube. So yeah, if you guys like the content, hit me up on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to me here on YouTube as well. And if you guys are interested in the shoe, I'm going to drop a link in the description box below. I'm also creating my website so you guys can, you know, wait around for that. Hopefully I'll be able to drop it soon. And that's about it. Talk to you guys later. Take care.
Wow, wow, wow.